In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. You need to begin by opening Themes app or going into Devices settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and tap on Themes section. Either way, now you need to tap on Themes at the bottom left corner, select one of those, tap on Categories or click on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to. Now click on the best theme for you. I will go with maybe this one. Select Download and then click Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, access the same theme settings, but this time click on Profile at the bottom right corner. Now select Themes next to Wallpapers and tap on Limitless or Classic. Lastly, just hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!